Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Chris Cooper, known as the Channel Guy Trader, and I'm reporting to you live from Wall Street Trading's Miami office down in sunny South Florida. Today's date is Wednesday, July the 10th, 2013, and here is today's midday market update brought to you by wallstreettrading.com. I want to first start off by taking a look to see how the indices are trading for the session so far here. We have the Dow's is currently down 29.5 points. The Nasdaq's up 3.5. The Russell 2000 is down close to 2 points, and the S&P is down close to 3 points. Taking a look at the commodity space here, crude oil is taking off, guys. USO's on fire. It's up 59 cents today. It's back near the highs, and I believe crude oil is trading around. Let me check here. Crude oil is now trading around 105.78. So that breakout from the monthly time frame, the weekly time frame, all that stuff starting to play out now in the charts. And hopefully you guys were able to watch some of our videos since we've been on top of that there, and hopefully you guys were able to put on some nice little swing trades to try to participate in that. But either way, crude oil is moving up, and we definitely want to keep on watching this price action because if this continues to go higher, we're going to start seeing it at the pump. GLD, gold's up 67 cents. GDX is pretty much flat on the gold miners there. You take a look at copper. Copper is getting a little bounce today. JJC is up. JJC is up. Hold on one second. JJC copper is up 25 cents. Silver is up 3 cents, so it's pretty much flat. Dollar's weak today. Euro strong. Taking a look at some of the key sectors in today's market. Biotechs are strong. XLV Healthcare, XLU, semiconductors are strong today. QCOM is a nice little strong stock today to keep on watch on your radar. Keep an eye on QCOM, even though it already made a nice move for the day already. And XLP, that's a consumer staple. Some weak sectors today. The financials are down here. All right, the financials they gap down. They gapped down, rallied up, then sold all the way back down. So the financials are weak. XLE, the energy sector is weak. XLF, the financials, coal stocks are a bit weak today. So some of the basic material stocks are weak today. There are some strong stocks out there though, so you definitely want to keep a lookout for them. Amgen's up 2.5% today. CTSH made a nice move. FDO made a nice move today. This one's highlighted on my heat map here screen, which is making new highs right now. That's going to be your Family Dollar. HPQ, nice move today as well. The stock gapped up today and traded to the top side and pulled back in. It's definitely in place. You want to keep an eye on that. So it's going to take a look at the market here. Starting off with the SPY 15-minute chart, you can see gapped down a little bit, rallied up, then sold all the way back down, and now we're kind of just trading sideways between this 164.70 level and the opening price from today's session, which also matched up with the opening price from yesterday's session, guys. So that's going to be a key level to watch. This 164.98, call it 165. Why? Again, because it's yesterday's opening price and it's today's opening price, and you can see how the price action has been kind of trading above and below on that one, above bullish, below bearish. You can watch that level. So low of the day, 164.70. Watch that level. We have FOMC minutes coming out at 2 o'clock. If the market doesn't like it, they could break us back down towards 164.27 and reverse us back down. The market does like the information that comes out, the news that comes out here. We break back over 165 and get back positive. We have a chance to rally up towards previous day's highs. You can kind of gauge it by, I would say, you could draw a little trend line in right there. All right, if we start breaking over, if we get back positive with the SPY and hold above 165.10, that would be pretty good. Taking a look at the Qs. All right, let me maximize the screen here real quick. Taking a look at the triple Qs, NASDAQ 100 ETF. This one gapped down, rallied up, chopping around the previous day's high, showing some decent strength today. Some of the technology stocks or they were up a lot earlier, but they're coming back in a bit, but they're doing pretty good. But this one's looking pretty interesting, just chopping around the previous day's highs. And then you have the IW and Russell 2000, which today is showing some relative weakness. Has been known for showing a relative strength to the other indices, but today it's showing relative weakness. Looks like if you get back above 101.20, which matches up with the previous day's close and today's open, that would be pretty good for a move back up towards the highs. If we break below today's lows, which also kind of matches up with yesterday's opening price right there, with this blue dotted lines right here, below $100.70, we could make a move back down towards previous day's lows around 130. That's going to be levels to watch on those ETFs. On the ES, nothing going on, guys. We're just chopping around today. Again, it's going to be slow action until the FOMC minutes come out, or going into the FOMC minutes, which are at 2 o'clock. As far as some stocks goes that we're watching eBay. This one had a nice little move out the gate. We're pretty much trying to see if it wants to hold this up 54.62 area. Been trying to catch it in this area, but it's kind of pulling back in right now. Not much there. Uh, so you got some other stocks that are moving today. Apple's giving you some action. Let me bring this up real quick. Apple's giving some decent action. All right, nice little move off the open on the 5 minute here. And if it can hold above, if it can, I would say if it can hold above this previous day's close, 44.22, it has a chance to go back up towards the highs. And that chart on the daily chart was starting to shape up a little bit better, but again, it still needs to build some more traction. Qualcomm, the semiconductor stocks again, like I said, are in play. Qualcomm being one of the better ones out there this morning. All right, and right now it's at the previous day's highs, but again, you could keep an eye on this one. Maybe it pulls back a bit going into 2 o'clock, and then it gets bought back up. Some nice support down here around 59.90, where they were buying it before it made its nice little leg up to the highs. So keep an eye on those stocks. There's a couple others ones out there. We'll be talking about them in the room. If you have not been to our chat room yet, go check it out. mywallstreettv.com. The password to log in is SMART. SMART. And aside from that, folks, have a great day. I'll see you guys for the After the Bell market summary video. Cheers.